Hi students, good morning. Yesterday we completed differentiation of implicit functions. Okay. Now today I will start differentiation of logarithmic functions. Means in this session especially the function is of the form f of x whole power g of x or f1 of x into f2 of x into f3 of x etc. or f1 of x, f2 of x, f3 of x divided by f4 of x, f5 of x, like this. Suppose the functions is of the form like means this one, then how to do the differentiation of these functions? Okay, now for example, if you take first one, y equal to f of x whole power g of x is there. How to do the differentiation? For this one, first we have to take log on both the sides, taking log on both the sides. So if you take log on both the sides, log y equal to log of f of x whole power g of x. Here we have to remember some formulas, logarithmic properties. We know that log a into b equal to log a plus log b to the same base. Next, log of a by b equal to what? Log a minus log b. And if you take one more, log of a power m to the base b, how to write? M into log a to the base b. Suppose like this is there, log of a to the base b power m. So 1 by b, m log a to the base b. Suppose log of a power m b power n is there, m by n log a to the base b. And also one more you can take, a power log x to the base a equal to what? X. Now this is in the form of this third property, third formula. Means log of a power m formula. How to write it as? Log y equal to g of x into log of f of x. Now from here differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Here log y is there, here product rule, because the product of two terms. G of x as first term, log of f of x as second term we have to take. Now differentiating with respect to x of means for which function? Log y. Means differentiation of log y, 1 by y dy by dx equal to product rule. Differentiate means g of x as it is, differentiation of log x, differentiation of log of f of x is there here, means 1 by f of x. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? F of x is what? F dash of x plus this one as it is, log of f of x, differentiation of g of x is g dash of x. That implies dy by dx we want. This y multiplied this side, y into g of x into f dash of x by f of x plus g dash of x into log of f of x. This is our answer. If you want you can write here y what you taken? F of x whole power g of x. Means d by dx of f of x whole power g of x. Differentiation always what? Here again y means f of x whole power g of x into g of x f dash of x by f of x plus g dash of x into log of f of x. So this is the differentiation of f of x whole power what? G of x. Whenever one function to the power of another function given, how to do the differentiation for that one? First we have to apply log on both the sides. Then we have to do the differentiating. Okay, no? So I will take one example on this one. One problem. Suppose they given like this, y equal to sin x whole power x they given. Okay. Now for this one, first what we have to do? Taking log on both the sides. For entrance purpose, if you remember this one, directly you can apply that one, that condition. Otherwise we have to apply taking log on both the sides. If you take log on both the sides, log y equal to log of sin x whole power x. It can be written as log y equal to. So again that third property, if you apply x into log of sin x, differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Again here product rule, x as u, log x as v. Okay. Now differentiation of log y, 1 by y dy by dx equal to. So x as it is, we have to do the differentiation for what? Log of sin x. What is the differentiation of log of sin x? 1 by sin x. By the chain rule again we have to do the differentiation for what? Sin x into cos x plus log of sin x as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Now that implies dy by dx equal to cross multiplication y here, y into x. Here how to write it as? Cot x, cos x by sin x plus log of sin x. This is our process. Again here y means x to the power of x. Replace y by what? Sin x power what? X. Suppose in entrance they given. Just you observe this one, what they given here? D by dx of f of x whole power g of x. Means one function to the power of another function given. Okay. Now what is the differentiation? Observe. Equal to f of x whole power g of x into what is there? G of x is there. Next differentiation of f of x means f dash x by f of x plus g dash of x is there. Next log of f of x is there. Once again see f of x whole power g of x into g of x f dash x by f of x plus g dash of x into log of f of x. Means here g of x, here g dash of x, here f dash x by f of x, here what? Log of f of x. Now what is our function? Here suppose in entrance they given sin x power x equal to f of x whole power g of x, means sin x power x into g of x. What is the f of x? This is f of x, base is f of x and power is what? G of x. Now apply as it is g of x. G of x is what? X. And f dash x, f of x is sin x. Differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Cos x divided by f of x. F of x is again sin x plus g dash of x. What is the g of x? X. G of x is power is g of x, base is f of x. And now differentiation of x 1 into log of f of x. F of x is base. This is sin x. Once you observe, f of x whole power g of x, g of x, f dash x by f of x plus g dash x log of f of x. Same thing you got or not? Take one more problem in this one. Y equal to, suppose they given sin x whole power cos x they given. Same thing we have to do. In theory, what we have to do? Taking log on both the sides. If you take log on both the sides, what you will get? Log y equal to log of this one means cos x into log of sin x. How we are getting this one? Taking log on both the sides means log of sin x whole power cos x. Now that implies log y equal to log of, so here log a to the base, log a to the power m. Now how to write it as? Cos x into log of sin x. From here what we have to do? Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, same procedure we have to follow, then dy by dx you will get. Suppose here if you apply, so what is our d by dx of f of x whole power g of x? What is our form? F of x whole power g of x into g of x f dash x by f of x plus g dash of x into log of f of x. Now what is f of x? F of x is what here? Base. This is f of x and this is g of x. Power is g of x. Now same thing if you take here, so sin x power cos x equal to sin x whole to the power of cos x into g of x power cos x into f dash x. What is f of x? Sin x. Differentiation of sin x? Cos x whole divided by f of x sin x plus g dash of x. What is the g of x? Cos x. Differentiation of that one? Minus sin x. Minus sin x into what? Log of f of x. Log of f of x. F of x is sin x. Log of sin x. Now if you do like this here, differentiating on both the sides, in same thing you will get here also. Means this procedure is what? In theory process, and this is what? Entrance process. Like this we have to do. Next, second one. In this what we have to take? Y equal to, suppose they given like this, f of x whole power f of x, means function to the power of same function. Previous one function to the power of another function. Okay, no? Now this one is function to the power of same function. What we have to find? Dy by dx we have to find. Okay, dy by dx. Taking log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. Log y equal to log of f of x whole power what? F of x. Now log of f of x whole power f of x, how to write? By the property, third property, f of x into log of f of x. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. So differentiation of log y. 1 by y dy by dx equal to, so this is first function and this is what? Second function. Product rule we have to apply. So this one as it is, differentiation of log x means 1 by f of x, again differentiation of f of x, f dash of x, plus log of f of x as it is, differentiation of f of x, f dash of x. Now simplify this one. Dy by dx equal to y into, I am taking this y here. Now here what is get cancel? F of x get cancel. What is remaining? F dash of x remaining, plus here log of f of x into f dash of x. That implies d by dx of, here again y, what you taken? F of x whole power f of x equal to, again y f of x whole power f of x. So in these two what we have to take the common? F dash x, 1 plus log of f of x into f dash x. This is our answer. Means same procedure we have to follow for all the problems which are in the form of f of x whole power f of x. Okay, no? Now here suppose if you take one example, differentiation of x power x means function to the power of same function. So equal to, suppose in an entrance they given, once again remember that formula, means by practice you can remember that one. What is that? Tell me. D by dx of f of x to the power of f of x, same function, equal to f of x power f of x into 1 plus log of f of x, because here f of x get cancelled, 1 plus log of f of x into now into f dash x. Here f of x is what? X only or not? What about the f dash x? 1. So x power x, what is our condition? X power x into 1 plus log of f of x into f dash x. So x power x 1 plus log f of x is x as it is into f dash x is 1. That's it. This is our answer. Suppose same thing they given in theory in board exams, how to solve this one? I will show this. They will give like this: y equal to x power x, then find dy by dx. Same process what you followed for this formula, same process we have to follow for the problems also. First what we have to take? Taking log on both the sides. Log y equal to log of x power x. That implies log y equal to, by the logarithm property, how to write it as x into log x. Now differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay. Now here again which rule? Product rule. Differentiation of log y is 1 by y dy by dx equal to, so x as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x, differentiation of x is 1. Now that implies dy by dx equal to cross multiplication y into, here x get cancelled, 1 plus log x. That is equal to, y means x power x, 1 plus log x. Same thing you got or not? X power x into 1 plus log x. Means first what we have to do? Taking log on both the sides. Apply the logarithmic property. Then differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. From that one you find out what? Dy by dx. take one more example here. D by dx of sin x whole power sin x they given. What we have to do? Here our function is what? Sin x. F of x equal to sin x. F dash of x equal to cos x. Suppose they given in entrance this problem. What is our condition? F of x whole power f of x means sin x whole power sin x into what? 1 plus log of f of x. 1 plus log of f of x. F of x is sin x into f dash of x. What is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. That's it. Okay, no? F of x whole power f of x. 1 plus log of f of x log sin x. Differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Suppose in theory they given what we have to take? Y equal to, we have to take sin x whole power what? Sin x. Okay. Now taking log on both the sides, log y equal to log of sin x whole power sin x. That implies sin x log of sin x, here log y, differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Now differentiation of log y you have to do, 1 by y dy by dx, there dy by dx you will get. Next this as first function sin x and this as second function cos x, sorry log of sin x. Now 1 by y dy by dx equal to sin x as it is. So differentiation of this one, 1 by sin x, again differentiation of sin x. So it is what? Cos x we have to do. Okay, no? So what you are doing? Sin x. So 1 by y dy by dx sin x. And differentiation of here this one, here we are taking log sin x. Okay. Now sin x as it is, differentiation of log sin x is what? 1 by sin x. Again differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Plus this one second function as it is, log sin x. Differentiation of sin x is what? Again cos x. Okay. Now y multiply this side, dy by dx equal to y into, here sin x get cancelled. In these two terms what we can take common? Cos x you can take. If you take in this one cos common, what is remaining? 1. Here what is remaining? Log of sin x into cos x. That implies d by dx of, here y means sin x whole power sin x equal to sin x whole power sin x, here also y, into what is there? 1 plus log of sin x into cos x. Here previous one what you got? Same thing like this here and here. So sin x whole power sin x and 1 plus log of sin x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. So this is the entrance part, this is what? Theory part. So what we are doing? So in all these problems they are in the form of f of x means to the power of g of x, means function to the power of another function, and one more is what? Function to the power of same function. So whatever it may be, first what we have to do? Taking log on both the sides. So left side log y you will get, right side product of two functions you will get. So product rule you have to apply. Left side log y means 1 by y dy by dx you will get. Okay, no? There dy by dx keep left side only, remaining take to right side and right side you have to simplify, then that is our required answer. Okay, no? So this is one of the type in logarithmic differentiation. Okay, and now here in theory one problem is there that is important for the theory, for the essay question. suppose they given if y equal to sin x whole power x plus and x power sin x, like this. One example I am taking. Any function you can take here and here. So that is as usual. Now here sum of the two terms are there. Here also function to the power of another function. Here also function to the power of another function is there. So how to solve? So here also first what we have to take, let u equal to, listen carefully, like this we have to take u equal to sin x whole power x. Now v equal to what I am taking, x power sin x I am taking. Okay. Now these two substitute here, therefore that y becomes u plus v, right? What we have to find here? Then find dy by dx. How to get dy by dx? Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay. Now dy by dx equal to, here du by dx, here dv by dx. Now take this as equation number 1. For dy by dx, first what we have to find? Du by dx. Next dv by dx. Then the two values, the two functions if you substitute, then our required answer is what? Dy by dx you will get. For that one what we have to do? First take u. What is u? Sin x whole power x. How you did previous one? Same as it is we have to do. First step what we have to do? Taking log on both the sides. Log u equal to log of sin x to the power of x. Now log u equal to, it can be written as by the logarithm property, x into log sin x. This is first step. Second step what we have to do? Differentiating. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x. Here what is their variable? U. Differentiation of log u. 1 by u du by dx equal to, here product rule we have to apply, x into differentiation of log sin x, 1 by sin x, again differentiation of sin x, cos x into cos x, plus log of sin x as it is, differentiation of x is 1. That implies du by dx equal to, here what? U. U cross multiplication. Here you will get. So x into cos x by sin x, cot x, plus log of sin x. That implies du by dx equal to, again u sin x whole power x into x cot x plus log of sin x. Take this as equation number 2. So this is du by dx only. Next what we have to do? dv by dx we have to find. For that one what we have to take? V. V equal to what you taken? X power sin x you taken. X power sin x. Here also first step is what? Taking log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. So log v equal to log of x power sin x. So log v equal to, by the logarithm property, you can write sin x into log x. Now from here what we have to do? Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Here I will continue. So differentiation of log v, 1 by v dv by dx. What you are doing? Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiation of log v, 1 by v dv by dx. And again here which rule we have to apply? Product rule. What is the product rule here? This has f of x and this has g of x, or u and v. Sin x, differentiation of log x, 1 by x plus log x, differentiation of sin x, cos x. What you taken? Sin x, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, log x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Now dv by dx equal to v cross multiplication into v you will get, but v directly can you substitute this one? So x to the power of sin x into sin x by x plus cos x into log x. Take this as equation number 3. So here first what you taken? Y sin x whole power x plus x power sin x is there, dy by dx asking. Already, so first two types you discussed this one. First type, this one only, no? F of x whole power g of x, f of x whole power g of x. So this one and this one separately you have to take as two functions. This as first one and this as second one. First one I am taking log on both the sides and differentiating, and this one I am taking log on both the sides and differentiation. So here what you got? Du by dx, and here what? Dv by dx. Here y equal to u plus v means if you do the differentiation, dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now this equation number 2 and equation number 3, where we have to substitute to get dy by dx? Equation number 1. Substitute 2 and 3 in equation number 1. Now what is equation number 1? dy by dx equal to du by dx is sin x power x into x cot x plus log of sin x plus dv by dx x power sin x into sin x by x plus cos x into log x. This is our final answer. So in place of du by dx and dv by dx, finally we substituted that answer. Now this is given previous problem. It is in the form of what? First type, f of x whole power g of x. So we know that differentiation of f of x whole power g of x, if you equal to, how to write it as? F of x whole power g of x into g of x f dash x by f of x plus g dash of x into log of f of x. Suppose same problem they asking in entrance, what we have to do? So directly for the first one and second one, y equal to they given. So first function is sin x whole power x, x power sin x. In entrance they given. Find out the dy by dx. So this formula for this one and this one directly you can apply or not. So check the answer. For this one, apply that one. F of x whole power g of x, f of x whole power g of x into g of x is x, g of x is what? X. Again f dash x by f dash x is cos x divided by f of x sin x, f of x by means cos x by sin x cot x plus log of f of x. F of x is sin x. Okay. So g dash x is what? 1. So that's why here 1 is there. So for this one also same function you apply, same formula. F of x whole power g of x into g of x is sin x into f dash x by f of x. F dash x is 1 divided by f of x is 1, sorry x, plus g dash x is cos x plus into log of f of x is log x. So directly this formula for this one and this one if you apply, you will get the answer this one. So directly you can identify what the given answer. Okay. In this logarithmic functions only, one more type we will discuss. That is, suppose the given y equal to f of x power f of x power f of x up to infinity. What is the problem given? Y equal to f of x power f of x to the power f of x. It is approaches to what? Infinity. So what we have to do? So in previous class we taken like this functions approaches to infinity means from where it is repeating, that one again we have to take as what? Given function, means y we have to take. So for that what we have to do? Y equal to, what we have to take? F of x. Again from here it is repeating or not? Y. Now observe it is in the form of what? Same previous concept only or not? F of x whole to the power of, but g of x form. Taking log on both the sides. Log y equal to log of f of x to the power of y. So log y equal to, again how to write it as y into log of f of x. Next step, differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Listen carefully, important problem this one. Differentiation of log y, 1 by y dy by dx equal to, so here again product rule, y into log of f of x, this one has u and this one has v, y into differentiation of log x 1 by x, again we have to do the differentiation for f of x, 1 by f of x into f dash x plus log of f of x, differentiation of y with respect to x, dy by dx, dy by dx. Now that implies this y cross multiplication. Otherwise here dy by dx is there, here dy by dx is there. No? First you take common, then you simplify that one. Now 1 by y dy by dx, this term I am taking this side, minus log of f of x into dy by dx equal to, here what is remaining? Y into f dash x by f of x. Okay. Now in these two what is common? Dy by dx common. So dy by dx, what is remaining? 1 by y log of f of x equal to y into f dash x by f of x. Taking log on both, sorry, here taking a LCM, that implies dy by dx into, what is LCM here? Y. 1 minus y into log f of x equal to y into f dash x by f of x. Now this total term multiply that side. Identify what is the answer? Dy by dx equal to, if you multiply here what you will get? Y square into f dash x Oh, shall I write there? This one. Dy by dx equal to y square into f dash x whole divided by, again what is remaining here, denominator f of x remaining, f of x into this numerator becomes what here, denominator, 1 minus y into log of f of x. This is the procedure to solve this type of problems. Y equal to f of x, f of x, f of x up to approaches to what? Infinity. What you taken first from where it is repeating, that one again you taken as y. So taking log on both the sides like previous type. So product of two functions differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, and dy by dx common here. So after that dy by dx equal to y square into f dash x. Now listen here. For this type of problem, what is the dy by dx you got here? Y square into differentiation of that function f dash x divided by f of x, means given function, into 1 minus y into log of f of x. Once again, dy by dx equal to y square into f dash x by f of x into 1 minus y into log of f of x. Okay, right? Now, suppose one example, if you take y equal to x power x up to infinity, they give up to infinity. Now, so here this is y into log of f of x. Now y equal to f of x power f of x up to what? Infinity or not. Now what is the f of x? In place of f of x, what is there? X is there. F of x equal to x. What about the f dash x? 1. Now what is the dy by dx? Suppose in entrance they given, means directly you can apply. Theory means I will explain again. Y square as it is you write down. F dash x is 1 divided by f of x into 1 minus log of f of x. F of x is what? Again x. Y, here y into is there, y into log of f of x. Okay. Now this is the entrance part. In theory, how to solve this problem? What the given function? Y equal to, if y equal to x power up to infinity, then find dy by dx. Now y equal to, what we have to take this function? From where it is repeating, again that function as what? Y we have to take. X power y. Taking log on both the sides. We are taking log on both the sides. Log y equal to log of x power y. That implies again log y equal to, how to write it as y into log x. Right? Now differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiation of log y is 1 by y dy by dx. And here product rule we have to apply. Y into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x into differentiation of y is dy by dx. Once again listen, differentiation of log y is 1 by y dy by dx, and here product rule y, differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x, differentiation of y is dy by dx. Now this one cross multiplication. Dy by dx equal to y into, if you multiply this y, here what will get? Sorry, here dy by dx is there, no? Before to take this one, you take this dy by dx, this side. If you take that side, what will get? 1 by y dy by dx minus, because again here dy by dx is there. If you take common, then only you can easily simplification. Otherwise, before only if you take the cross multiplication, little bit complicated. Now, minus log x into dy by dx equal to, what is remaining? Y by x. So what I am doing? 1 by y dy by dx. This one I am taking this side. And now that implies 1 by y minus log x into dy by dx equal to y by x. Now here taking LCM. What is y? 1 minus y log x into dy by dx equal to y by x. Now this total term multiply that side. That implies dy by dx equal to y square by x into 1 minus y into log x. Same or not this one? Okay. Second, one more example for this one. Suppose if they given y equal to tan x power tan x power tan x up to infinity, then find dy by dx. First, in theory what we have to do? Shortly I will explain this one. Y equal to what we have to take? Tan x. From where it is repeating? From here it is repeating, no? This one y. Y equal to, if you get this one, second step what we have to do? Taking log on both the sides and differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. That is the theory part. And in entrance part, dy by dx equal to, directly how to apply this one? Y square into f dash x whole divided by f of x into 1 minus y into log of f of x. That is equal to, our function here f of x equal to tan x and f dash x equal to secant square x. Substitute all these values here. Y square into f of f dash x is secant square x whole divided by tan x into 1 minus y into log of f of x is tan x. Now observe this one. So what they given? Dy by y equal to tan x power tan x up to what? Infinity. Okay, right? Then what they asking? Dy by dx asking. Now, so for that, in entrance part what you taken? Directly that condition you taken. Y square into f dash x by f of x into 1 minus y log of f of x. F of x is tan x, f dash x is secant square x. All these here you substituted. Okay, now. Now, whereas in theory, what you taken? Y equal to log x. From where it is repeating? So from here it is repeating. That one you taken as y. Taking log on both the sides and differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay. And one more model problem is there. That one I will give. Then I will. if y equal to sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x, this type of problems they given. So what we have to do? Multiple means product of 3 terms are there. Sometimes more than that also will be there. So what we have to do? So UVW formula also you can apply, but more than that one is there means little bit come. So that's why if you take log on both the sides, easily you will get the answer. So here what they asking here, dy by dx. Taking log on both the sides. Log y equal to log of sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Now that implies log y equal to log a into b into c formula. We taken logarithm properties. Log a into b, log a plus log b. Log a into b into c, log a plus log b plus log c. Like that you can extend up to finite number of terms. Now here log a into b into c means how to write it as log of sin x plus log of sin 2x plus log of sin 3x. Log of sin 3x, right? Now differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiation of log y is 1 by y dy by dx. Now differentiation of log sin x. Differentiation of log sin x is 1 by sin x. Again differentiation of sin x, cos x plus differentiation of log sin 2x, 1 by sin 2x. Differentiation of sin 2x, cos 2x. Again differentiation of 2x, 2. Means how to write it as 2 into cos 2x. Can you write? Plus differentiation of log sin 3x, 1 by sin 3x. Again differentiation of sin 3x, cos 3x. Again differentiation of 3x, 3. So it can be written as what? 3 into cos 3x. Now that implies dy by dx you have to find. That implies cross multiplication. Y into, so cos x by sin x, cot x plus 2 into cot 2x plus 3 into cot 3x. Now listen here, what they given? Y equal to product of 3 terms, sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x, then dy by dx asking. For that one what you did? Taking log on both the sides. So log y equal to log a into b into c formula. Log a plus log b plus log c. Again differentiating this sum of the 3 terms. Log of sin x, this one, log of sin 2x, log of sin 3x. But finally what we have to do here, y equal to what they given? Sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x we have to replace. Then our final answer you will get. Okay, no? By using this knowledge, you find out this one. If y equal to, suppose they given root of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 divided by x minus 4 into x minus 5, then find dy by dx. This is our answer. Okay, no? Right. These are the some problems we discussed in logarithmic differentiation. Okay, no? So mainly you concentrate for the Sunday's exam. So first one formula based problems. Next second one what you taken, composite function. Third concept is what? Implicit function. And today in logarithmic functions, what the problems we discussed, means which methods we discussed, that one only you concentrate. In next class I will continue again this logarithm. Some more types problems are there after that. Okay, no? Thank you.